So the next thing I had to talk about, unless you're living under a rock, and I know that, ASAP Rocky uh, was found not guilty of all charges, not guilty of the gun assault charges. And Tacky Joe Tacopina, he celebrated. I'm sorry, I still call him Tacky Tacopina from when he was Trump's lawyer. But I knew, if you're going to get the same lawyer Trump got, you got top of the line. I'm just saying. So I had a feeling that he had a good lawyer. And when he didn't take the plea deal and opted to potentially get 24 years, I was like, oh, he feels confident that he's not going to get any time. Now they're saying, because Joe Tacopina is saying that the friend committed perjury and that the friend should be put on trial for extortion and that the friend lied on the stand. So we might see some more about this, but it'll be the friend who tried to get ASAP Rocky locked up. Ooh, that's some nasty mess. So anyway, we'll find out more about this soon, I guess, and how that goes out. But I think everybody was just, I was emotionally touched when he ran back to Rihanna. First of all, she was screaming and he was basically crying. And at that moment, my heart was like, because 24 years, they almost lost their family. Those little boys would have been grown men by the time he came out. So, congratulations. They really, really dodged a bullet. Congratulations.
Astrology, a look inside. Presenting astrology and tarot readings for all.